Hey Cammy, you got our wipes ready?
Yes.
Grocery haul on its way. Check it out. Let's see what we got, guys. All right, so at the end, we're gonna wipe down everything, but we're gonna go through and show you guys all what we got to feed a family of 8 on a budget. So we're gonna take a look at everything and see what we got here and go through a few things on the counter, so stay tuned. Okay, let's start by our drinks over here. We have, yes, the ginger ale the kids loves, as well as my honey, so I make sure I get him some ginger ale. We got the Dr. Thunder for me, my fave right there, great value brand. Got 2 packs of those, 2-pack of the ginger ale here. We have the splash water, 0 sugars, y'all. So my baby, this goes in his cup at night. He really likes to still have stuff to drink at night, so I wanted to get something that had no sugar in it so his teeth wouldn't be all messed up or anything. What we got back there for breakfast for the kiddos?
Fruit spin cereal, because everybody likes to eat cereal, especially the little younger kids. We got Frosted Flakes, can't lift that one up, and Cinnamon Crunch cereal.
Yum, all my cereal lovers. And for my daughter, who's 18, and my 17-year-old daughter, they don't really love the cereal, so we got them
oatmeal. This one's banana nut oatmeal, and a variety pack of different flavors: strawberry cream, blueberries, peaches, and banana cream.
Yummy. So some warm cereal that they can grab in the morning and eat on their way to school. And of course, we have my son's quick grab while I'm working. He loves him some chicken noodle soup, so I got him some Campbell's chicken noodle soups over here just to grab in the morning so he could eat and have that to eat. So yummy and quick and easy while I'm working from home. What we got down here?
We got down here is barbecue sauce, sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce, because we use barbecue sauce on almost everything, chicken all the time, pork chops sometimes, depends. And over here we have spaghetti sauce for when we cook spaghetti, baked spaghetti, and different types of things. So.
Oh, and 4 cheese at that. My family loves them some cheese. You'll notice that in a minute here. So we got 4 of those. We got for 6 kids in here and 2 adults that's eating. And then my son's girlfriend's also here. We got a lot of rice, cheddar broccoli rice that'll go a long way as well back here. So we got how many packs of those?
I think 12. I think 12, yeah. In the store I had counted it.
12 packs of those.
Yeah.
And ain't no family, African-American family without the Jiffy cornbread. You gotta have the Jiffy cornbread. If y'all didn't notice, we're not little in here. So we love us some Jiffy cornbread. I love to eat, so that is excellent to have. And with this one, I actually put yogurt in it as well. You'll see my yogurt over here. It tastes so good to add a little bit of the Yoplait yogurt to it. It makes the cornbread just have a different pick-me-up. I really enjoy that.
Next, we have butter, because what? Butter make it taste better.
Yes, from my girl, yes. Butter make it taste better. So we have the Country Crock butter right here. We also have, what's back there?
Sour cream, because we put in mashed potatoes.
This will last all of a day. My kids love them some sour cream, so that'll be gone quick. We have also some mini sodas that I'm going to hide in my office desk. I know I'm not the only one that hides, little treats for themselves. So I have me some mini sodas, the ginger ale and the twist up, that I'm going to hide in my office couch so the kids can't get to those.
And here we have some cookies, basically like Oreos, the Walmart brand cookies that my little brother loves to eat with milk and stuff like that. And a family size, we all love these, so yeah.
Yes, the double stuffed twist and shout store brand cookies. Y'all know I buy it on a budget and they taste just the same. And then we have from Kroger's, actually over here, my honey was begging me for this red velvet cake. It is delicious, y'all. He thinks he's about to get this all to himself. He has another thing coming. I'm gonna go ahead and cut me up about 4 slices of that. Yes.
Back here we have some red velvet cupcakes, because in my opinion they taste better than the cake. So, in I think a 12-pack of these for dessert, so like anytime. Another thing we have is variety cakes, like different types of cakes. I think lemon, blueberry, and banana nut, because they love these cakes in the bake section of Walmart. And here is some mini donuts for like a snack, like snack time, anytime, a quick, easy snack we can have. We also got muffins and honey buns.
Honey buns and 2 packs of muffins. Yeah, now these, you guys, are so great and so delicious and so moist and great to grab for the kids to have for after school snacks and stuff, so they can eat those on the go, and they could bring them with them to school too, so that they're not hungry. And these bad boys are only $3 a pop. Each box is only $3, so these are really, really good there. Now let's head over to this. Let's go to the produce. So what we got back here?
We got 2 things of cabbage because we make, what was it?
We make like a stir fry with cabbage,
Yeah.
and we have steak chunks, and I put barbecue sauce on them. Hence, we got 3 things of barbecue sauce I put down a lot. It is so delicious. So I'll make that for you guys. The grapes were on sale, 99 cents a pound at Walmart. My baby loves some grapes. My baby, my honey, it seems like these grapes go fast. I can't keep them in the house. They love them some grapes. So they go through these grapes. So we have what, like 4 or 6 pounds of grapes on here. So those will go fast.
Next, we have mini, like, baby potatoes, yellow potatoes, because we eat potatoes with, depending on, like, as a side or anything like that. We got 2 bags of them because there is 8 of us.
But you know, those are really good too if you cut them up, and don't even just wash them real good. Cut them up and make them into some little fries. These taste so good. They have like a different
Like texture,
to
yeah,
them.
too.
No, I really like that.
Softer, too.
Oh my God, and my baby, are you bringing me a Happy Meal? And he likes the apple slices with it. So I had to get some of these individually packaged peel and slice apple slices here. So he has 6 packs of those in each of these. So I had to get 2 of those. And I checked the date. They last to the 14th. So they will last within our 2-week grocery haul time frame. So these are really, really good for him.
We also have mushrooms. So, like, mushrooms we could put in, like, Philly cheesesteaks and stuff like that. Well, just 1 pack of them because not too many people like mushrooms. But, yeah.
Okay, and we got some bananas. My honey, my baby, my daughter, Tori, 17-year-old, they kill these bananas. So I have to keep some bananas in the house. And they're great for in the morning on the go when they're going to school. And then we have some bell peppers for cooking with, of course. And oh, our strawberries are here. So we make a strawberry graham cracker, and we'll have to make that for you guys. It's so good with whipped cream, graham crackers, sugar, and water. That's all that's in it. And the strawberries, of course, is so delicious. Now let's take it to over on this counter. On this counter we have...
The first thing we have is the breakfast sausages, because in the morning, sometimes in the morning, they do make, instead of just cereal, they make breakfast. They make sausages, eggs, and sometimes waffles. So as you can see, it'll come up. And
fries, because Junior loves him some fries. My big kids love fries, so of course they have those to snack. They can make those anytime, and sometimes we'll do them with dinner. They may go good with our Philly cheesesteaks that we'll make as well. Yes. I love these brats. This brand here, Holmes Smokehouse brats. These are so good. The pecan smoke, these are delicious. So I have those to grab really quick and eat in between while I'm working. When I'm working from home, something quick when I don't have that much time, or I have to jump on a meeting, just something quick I can warm up in the microwave and eat. I love those. And we have our shrimp here. I'll probably make a shrimp Alfredo for the kids this week. So we have some Gulf shrimp, and they're extra small, peeled and divine, because I don't like the tail on, and I don't like the little nasty black stuff that be in the middle. So I need this peeled and divine and cleaned out. And these come with 100 to 150 count in there. Really, really good buy.
What's next? You're gonna move on to this.
Oh, Junior, my child, I told y'all about them Happy Meals. Every time I leave the house, Mommy, you bring me a Happy Meal? So why not make our own Happy Meal? So we got the chicken nuggets, we got the fries, we got the apple slices. He is all set for your own little Happy Meal at home. So easy to put together for him, especially while I'm working. And these only take like a minute and a half to warm up in the microwave, or you can fry them in some grease. Oh my God. So my kids devour these. These ain't gonna be here as long. This is not gonna last the 2 weeks, especially with 6 kids here. 140 Totino's pizza rolls. Hence why I got 2 boxes of these, because these will go fast. They love these. What else we got?
Got it. Think some cream cheese for bagels we do have. So
Yes.
this is a good amount. We got some bagels up there, as you will see. Right here we have whipped cream cheese spread, strawberry flavored, a bigger one. For breakfast, I think so.
Yep, to go on the bagels. We got some ham. My baby girl wanted some ham. She wanted to make some sandwiches. What kind of ham is that? Is that the honey ham?
Honey
chopped ham. So she cooks these in the microwave, makes them a little bit burnt on the edges, put some cheese on it and mayonnaise and bread, and makes it really good. That's how she makes mine, and hers without the mayonnaise, because she does not do Miracle Whip or mayonnaise or anything like that. We got us some cheese. This is for the Philly cheesesteaks here. I told y'all we at home that love cheese. We got this big $12 big Fiesta blend thing of cheese from Walmart here. This thing is what, 4 or 5 pounds. This will be gone in the 2 weeks. This is really good. For us, we basically put cheese on almost everything. Up here we got some quarter legs that was on sale. So I'm gonna clean these. We got 2 packs of these and they were on sale for $3.50. We're gonna clean these real good and make a meal for the family as well.
Chicken thighs, 2 packs of chicken thighs. So like for
this is 8. With the skin on. So we got 2 packs of those. And I like this size because several come in here. So it's enough for us as a family to make 1 meal. This is 2 packs, so this will be 2 meals here. And we'll put some barbecue sauce on those or just bake them with this chicken seasoning that I have. And tilapia. My son loves him some tilapia, my oldest son. So I bought that so he could have something to make during the day that's quick and easy and bake up for him to eat. So I got some tilapia. I like tilapia too. And we got ground beef for spaghetti. We have some bread for our sandwiches. And here's the Philly cheesesteak meat. So I really, really like this Philly cheesesteak meat here. And we got 2 packs because it's really easy to fry up and it doesn't take long. It takes about 5 minutes to cook. Add some mushrooms, some green peppers, some seasoning, some cheese, and you got your whole Philly cheesesteak meal. Kind of tastes better than the Charlie's Philly cheesesteaks in my opinion. I really like those. And this ground beef was on sale here, so I grabbed that. I'm gonna put that in the freezer, and it was 17 grams, and it was only $8.61, so I got that on sale. Up under it, they had some steak on sale, so I said, let me grab some steaks for a quick meal, maybe make for lunch or something, or just for the kids to grab. They can go in and grab and make them a quick steak if they feel like it.
I think 2 packs.
And I got 2 packs of those. Okay. And up here, we have some ribeye chops, pork chops up here for the family. Make sure there was a large enough pack. We got 2 packs of those. We got a lot of meat on here. Here, Cammy, grab that. We got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These are delicious, and make sure that we got enough for everybody to be able to get those. I put those in my electric skillet and cook those up with some barbecue sauce. I got 2 packs of those. And then up under them is the same thing, but a bigger pack too. So that sometimes we have leftovers, sometimes we don't, with as many kids as they are. Sometimes we don't. So then over here, my kids love them some waffles, and these are really quick and easy to make in the morning. So we got some buttermilk waffles. Y'all don't sleep on the Great Value brand. These are delicious. So they taste just the same, if not better, in my opinion, with of course some butter on them and syrup. Up here we have some quick tea beginners and bacon. For me, I really love bacon to go with the waffles. I eat the waffles too, or the kids can grab it. It's already fully cooked. They could just heat it up 10 seconds and be good to go. And then backyard barbecue meals, banquet, are for me to grab for lunch. I really like those to grab easy, heat up, a quick lunch while we're here. Uh-oh, fell off over there. Down here, we have my son drinks a lot of milk, and my 11-year-old daughter really likes her milk. So we got 2 jugs of milk on here. This house seems to go through juice a lot, but we found that we really like the taste of the Berry Punch Great Value juice. Is really, 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 really good. And as well as we got the Tropical Punch Tastes really good. And these are only $1.29 and they taste so good. So we got several of those, as you can see here. We got some orange juice bright and early. It's really, really good. I like this a lot, so I got that mainly for me. My honey, he is lactose intolerant, so he can't drink regular milk. So I got him some Lactate brand milk because he loves cereal. He eats it all day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if he could, by making me dinner and eat some vegetables. So yes, so I got that from him. We have some ramen. Of course, over here, some quick and easy to make for the kids. Or for me, sometimes I like to make my ramen and I like to add an egg to it and cheese. It's so good. And of course, we have some syrup from the waffles. We already have syrup already, so I just grabbed one bottle. We have some chips for the kids. My kids, I don't know why, they love these hot chips. That is theirs. I got some sour cream chips back here I'll eat too. Some cheddar and cream, and 2 bags of barbecue chips back here. We also got some bagels. Now I know these bagels are not gonna last. My kids are so happy when I grab them again because they go so quick. I hate buying them, but they love them, so I got them. So we got 3 packs of bagels on here. They actually really good. I love them too. These are really, really good. So I'm gonna tear those up. My favorite now is I used to be infatuated with the Pillsbury cookies. Now I got the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. These are so good. I eat one like after every meal. No, I'm just one. I eat at least one a day. I love me some cookies. And I love the McDonald's cookies, and they kind of remind me of those, so I got those. And these are for our graham crackers, strawberry, whipped cream. You know what we forgot? What do you think we forgot?
For that?
Yes.
The whipped cream.
The whipped cream. Oh my God. So we got to
yeah.
go back and get the whipped cream. So we got some cinnamon graham crackers here for our strawberry whipped cream and cinnamon graham crackers. I can't believe I forgot the whipped cream. But you guys, we got all of this goodness for our 2-week grocery haul for an 8-family household here. All of this greatness. Don't mind my sink. I rinse that out. Doing dishes. All of this stuff. We got this for $420 haul at Walmart, you guys. Love, love, love. So we will be shopping again here in a couple of weeks, but this should hold us over. We already have a lot of stuff too, but this will hold us over until then. So thank you guys for joining us. Thank you guys for...
Thank you.
Hey, thank you guys for staying with us on our tour of our grocery haul for me and my family. What we're about to do now is get to it. You know, I love my wipes. About to wipe all this down, re-wipe the counters down, and get everything put away and organized in the refrigerator. But yes, let's get to it. I'm about to call all my kids down so they can get down here and help wipe down this stuff. Thank you guys. Have a great night.